Which is the national animal of Canada? Answer C. Beaver. The Ring of Fire refers to which region? Answer A. Pacific Ocean. Which is the coldest place on Earth? Answer D. Antarctica. The Amazon River flows mainly through which country? Answer A. Brazil. Who is the author of The Origin of Species? Answer B. Charles Darwin. The currency of Indonesia is? Answer B. Rupiah. Which organ in the human body stores bile?
Please guys, support this channel with your like and by subscribing to this channel.
Answer A. Gallbladder. The Great Lakes are located on the border of USA and which country? Answer B. Canada. Which African country has the largest population? Answer C. Nigeria. The desert known as White Desert is in which country? Answer B. Egypt. Which country has the most natural lakes? Answer D. Canada. Who discovered electricity? Answer A. Benjamin Franklin. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Answer C. Tibetan Plateau. Which country gifted cherry blossom trees to the USA? Answer C. Japan. The world's oldest known civilization is? Answer B. Mesopotamian. The deepest part of the ocean is called? Answer A. Challenger Deep. Which city is known as the City of Canals? Answer A. Venice. The highest active volcano in the world is? Answer D. Ojos del Salado. The currency of Philippines is? Answer C. Peso. Which is the only sea without a coastline? Answer B. Sargasso Sea.
Comment down your score and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.